friends, today we're going to draw a snowman unicorn.
Yeah, we're going to call it a Snowicorn.
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You ready to start? Yeah! We're using regular paper to draw on, and we also have our Art for Kids Hub gel crayons. But you can use whatever you have. You don't have to use the same thing. Let's start with our blue, our dark blue. We also have a light blue. Oh, the other colors we have picked out are orange, pink, purple, yellow, and
black.
yes. Let's put those off to the side. We'll start with our blue crayon, and we're going to build our Snowicorn. Let's first draw our unicorn's head, or Snowicorn's head. We're going to draw a circle, but I'm going to draw it not all the way connected at the top, so kind of a half circle. Oh, I love how big yours is. I wish I drew mine that big. Let's keep going. I'm going to draw the ear next. And we could also draw a little shape inside, too. Okay, now let's draw the hair. We're going to draw a curve connecting and then curling up when it connects to the other side. Yeah, and you could go a little past too. And then we're going to start at the end. We'll draw a point and a little down and then a big up. Now let's switch to our orange crayon and we're going to draw the carrot for the unicorn horn. I'm going to draw an upside down letter V. And oh, we could even color that in. So instead of using the carrot for the nose on our Snowicorn, we're using it for the horn. Now let's switch back to our blue and we're going to draw the scarf around our little unicorn's neck. So we draw 2 lines down and then we're going to connect those lines together. Now let's draw the part of the scarf that's coming down. So we're going to draw a rectangle shape. We're going to add lots of colors to our scarf later. Let's draw the body for a unicorn. We're going to draw the bottom snowball, and this is the front part of our body. And then we're going to draw the first leg, and we're just going to draw a snowball. And then we're going to draw another one right here. And then we're going to draw another one right here. And let's draw the belly. And then we're going to draw the top of our snow unicorn, or the back. Yes. And then let's draw the first part of our tail. I'm going to draw an S curve right here. So curve up, small up, down, and then a curve at the end. Yeah. And then the same thing we did up here, we'll start at the end for a point. We'll curve up, around, and then connect back in. Awesome. Okay, now let's add more details. Let's switch to our light blue and let's color in the ear and also this first little bit of hair. Oh, I love that you have a lighter blue. I also kind of ended up mixing some of the orange so it turned brown. That's okay. And I really like your light blue. I'm going to switch to my light blue too. So the one I was using was more of a medium blue, and then this is a much lighter blue. And if I layer on top of it, it does make it lighter, but not as light as yours. I'm going to add this light blue down here for the tail too. Ooh, we could even use this for shading on the snowballs too. So I'm going to add a little layer right here at the bottom just for shading. Now we can switch to any color we want. Let's do pink, and we're going to add another strand of hair to the top and also the tail. I'm going to start here and we'll go behind the carrot and then connect to the hair up here in the front. Oh, and another thing, let's add hair behind the ear too. So I'm going to add a little pink like that. Then I'm going to switch back to the dark blue that we used. Oh no, let's do the dark blue. And we're going to draw the little outline or the border that we drew for the rest of the hair. So I'm going to draw it like this. And then right here, let's draw it coming out and doing an S curve right at the end. It's a little loop. Yep. And then right here, we'll curve back in. And then let's switch to our light blue again and fill that in. Now let's switch to yellow and we'll add another stripe to our hair. And I'm going to make this stick out a little bit further over here and also on this side. And then the last color we could do is purple. And our friends can change their drawings too. You don't have to color it the same as us. You could change different colors, or maybe it's even just solid color instead of rainbow or a bunch of different colors.
Yeah.
Let's say one more thing and use our dark blue to outline the last color on the hair. So I'm going to trace over or around the purple and also down here on the tail. And this next part, let's fast forward, but we'll color in our scarf. You could do multicolored, just like we did for the hair, or you could color in solid.
Yeah.
You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
I like that you did multicolor. I just did purple and pink. Okay, now let's switch to our black. We got one last thing to do. What are we missing?
The face.
Yeah, let's draw the face. We're gonna use our black for the coal, and I'm first gonna draw a little smile actually in the middle, and then I'm gonna add a piece of coal on the left and also on the right for each eye. Yes, and then we gotta add the little coal buttons too. Just like on a regular snowman. Our unicorn has buttons too.
Yeah.
And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Snowicorn, and it turned out perfect. Yours is always my favorite, especially that face. Look how cute it is.
Thank you. I love that face.
Oh, thanks.
I love that scarf. I love the hair. I love the horn. You know it's the same. I love the
The feet. I think the
feet,
legs
I
are my
love
favorite too.
these. I like the body.
So
I like the
basically everything.
buttons.
You guys can pause the video and take time to even add more things to your drawing, like a background. You could even add more snow creatures.
Maybe a snow dragon.
Oh, that would be awesome.
We hope you had fun drawing a Snowicorn.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.